Okay, I have been asked about how do you move information from Excel from one spreadsheet to another. For example, I recently sent out version 6 this year after starting the year with version 5. So just so that everyone is on the same page, and whether you use my spreadsheet or use somebody else's, if you need to, just as Excel information, if you need to copy information from one spreadsheet to another and you don't know how to do that, then this is for you. Literally go open both spreadsheets, make sure that the names are different on each one, so that doesn't mess you up. And you will open the original spreadsheet where your information currently resides. You'll go to the tab that you where the information is at. You click on, for example, for mine, you would click on everything that is not a formula, everything that you specifically entered into the spreadsheet. So if we're on the purchasing tab, then you're going to highlight everything from row 3 down. You would then right click, select copy, and then you would go to the new version, click in the same place that you started from on the other one, right click and paste. The other way to do that would be to Control C is to copy and Control V is to paste. I am fairly positive that that is the same for both Mac and for PC. So let's see if we are. This is my personal one. I needed something with information in it. So if I were to open. All right, so if you are on the mileage page, then you can select any of this information, because just don't select the box at the very top. So generally from row 3 down, you would just select everything that you typed in. Again, copy, go to your new spreadsheet and paste, or Control V. So right click, paste, or Control V, which is what I did because it's such a habit. This section is the same thing. Just start underneath of the line where it says date. You will go to your original spreadsheet. You'll start from where it says date. You'll select everything that you typed in. Right click, copy. Go to the new spreadsheet. Click in the first box in that section. So in this case, it's F4. And then right click, and you want the first little paste option, and paste, and everything is moved over. If you need to, let me just, if your items show like this where you can't see the number, then go to the top, see how the cursor changes. So when you get to the edge and it looks like that, just double click it. Again, we've got the same problem here. So go to the top where the letters are, go to the edge, to the right edge of that column. And once the cursor changes, double click it, and it will spread that column out to where it needs to be so you can see all the information. This one, you can see part of it. So we can go up here to column H, go to the right side of it. When the cursor changes, double click it. Now you can read all the information. So I hope that helps. And if you have any further questions, I will try to do more videos. Thanks.